you're joined by the best player of the game, Justin Baltazar, and winning head coach Franco Atienza. Coach, a very important game for Converge today. How happy are you with the performance of your team, with how everyone came out today, 6 players in the double digits, and not only that, yung production ng bench ninyo, and of course, yung performance ni Balti?
Well, thank you. First, we would like to thank God for this win, and we also give credit to the other team for putting up for playing well as well. Yeah, we know in terms of you mentioned about the point production. We know that we will be able to score. We will somehow we have good guys, but going into this game, our emphasis would be in defense, especially kay George King. Medyo mataas especially nung I think first quarter. What was that? 26. I think at the first 4 or 5 minutes, we gave up 17 points. So medyo mataas. And George King, 34 points. We gave up how many? We gave up 4-point shots. 16 kagad yun. We know he will take that. We know he will hunt for that. So nakakoncentrate kami doon. But still, kahit ganun, 34 points pa din eh. And medyo career game din ni JD, ni itong Cub. So, first quarter, first half, our emphasis would be to tighten up on the defense. And gladly, nag-respond naman yung guys namin. Pero mataas pa rin. Make no mistake, yung 109 points that we gave up, mataas pa rin yun. So, late eliminations, hopefully we make the playoffs. We will get our looks, we will be able to execute, pero kailangan talaga naming i-limit yung kabilang team. Kailangan namin dumipensa. Pagdating ng last yan sa San Miguel, very important game din sa kanila yan. We would have to be able to make some stops. Talagang, I mean, we know they would be able to score, pero it will take a lot of us. It will take the team effort para makakuha kami ng mga stops. So yun ang concentration namin today, and dadalhin namin yan sa Friday against San Miguel.
Thanks, Coach. Balti, 20 points. Career high. Congratulations. Ano yung mga factors na nag-contribute para makapag-perform ka this way at yung motivation mo para sa explosive gameplay mo today?
Yun lang. Sinong makalaban lang namin na hindi namin kailangan na hindi kami magre-relax dito. Kasi sabi nga ni Coach, San Miguel yung makakalaban namin. Kailangan maganda ipakita namin. So yun, noong fourth quarter, kaya nagamit ako lalo kasi yun nga, si Justin Arana, na parang sana okay lang. Pero yun, binigyan pa rin ako chance na makapaglaro. Yun, binigay ko lang yung best ko. Yun.